Every great change in our world begins with a single action. Standing under the open sky of Al Zorah, we witnessed that action come alive. A team of people united by purpose, a mission to protect what protects us, the mangroves. We collaborated with Companies for Good to make this initiative possible, bringing together passion, purpose, and action. These trees are more than nature's beauty. They are defenders of our coastline, guardians of marine life, and warriors against climate change. And yet, they needed us. So we answered the call. With every step into the water, with every seed placed into the earth, we weren't just planting trees, we were planting strength, resilience, and hope. The Hotpack team didn't just organise an initiative, they ignited a movement. A reminder that sustainability is no longer a choice, it is our responsibility. As the sun reflected on calm waters, each seedling stood as a symbol that even the smallest action can shape the future. That day, we didn't just restore a mangrove ecosystem, we restored faith. Faith that when people come together, when hearts align with purpose, we can rebuild the world, one seed at a time. This mangrove project is part of the UAE's larger sustainability goal to restore ecosystems and reduce carbon emissions by 2030. Each mangrove sapling helps absorb approximately 27.7 kilograms of CO2 over its lifetime, supporting the nation's broader climate and environmental targets. This was more than an event. This is Hotpack's commitment to a greener tomorrow. And from these waters, a new story will rise.